Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this lesson we will try to learn about ABS command, absolute command. How we can use absolute command in Allen-Bradley PLC. But before start this lesson, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. Let's get started. In this user section, you can find this ABS command. So first of all, we will take one binary bit or external bit, and second we will choose ABS instruction. So I choose my address I 1 I colon 1.0 1/0 and this source I will take real value f8 colon 0, and that the destination value I will choose n7 colon 0, and simply we will check this one. Input address and download to the PLC. What's the function of ABS command? ABS command is basically converts the value in absolute value into round value. For example, here is a 25.0 value is we put, or any, for example 2.3 value we will put, and it will forward this value in round figure. Round figure means if after the point this value is less than 5, it will be determines count 2, and if the value is after the point 0.5, it considers 3 in go to the next. For example, I will give this one execution, make it execution. See, it's a 2.3 value. If I write it, for example 2.4 still, oh sorry, this is 2.4. if I send the value, it will consider 2. As I put 2.5 value, it will consider 3, and 2.6 also it will consider 3. 2.7 also it consider 3. 2.9 also it consider 3. As I put 3 it's consider 3, but 3.4 it consider 3. 3.4 it consider 3. As the value increased after 3.5, it consider 4. So simple words, if I explain, this absolute value, real value, it converts into the round value in anywhere. For example, some operators, if operator needs to the round value and your value is coming real from the field and operator needs in round, so you can use this command to check the values in real to round figure. n7 colon 0 mix compares with n7 colon 2. This is for example, this is the value coming from this ABS value coming from the field, and this converts in this round value, and this round value after I need with my own value, for example 15, 20, 30, how much, for example I will put it here 10 for example, and I need when my this n7 colon 0 is equal with 10, after my output needs to be on. That's here for example I will put 9.4, sorry, 9, 9.4 if value I put, still here is a 9. As I give the value 9.5 for example, my output will be on. Because of this real value came 9.5, but it's considered 10. Maybe 9.7 value also coming. 9.7 value is coming, but it considers 10. 9.9 also it considers 10. And as value increased from 10.5 for example, it will be change the position. So it's the real value converts in the round value, and after the point which value is, if less than 5, it will be real value transfer. If greater than 5, it will be round value transfer. So I hope guys you understand about this ABS command, how you can use the ABS command in program. If not understand anything, can send me the message in comment section. I will send you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.